Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily set up Java 18 on VS Code. So it's very easy. At first we will download and install Java 18. After that we will download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. After that we will see how we can connect both VS Code and Java 18 so that we can run our first Java program on VS Code. Okay. So let's begin with the first step, that is to download and install Java JDK 18, the current Java version. Let's begin. At first go to the browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use any browser. On Google type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, oracle.com. Click on it to open. On opening, on the right itself on the official website you can see download Java. Click on it. After clicking herein you can see Java 18 is available now. So this is what we want for Windows. I'll go below. Here it is Java 18. Now Linux, Mac and Windows, for all three platforms the Java 18 version is visible. We want for Windows, I'll click here. On clicking, now you can see three files are visible to download. We will go for the installer x64, that means for 64-bit Windows 10. Click on this file to download. On clicking, the download will start. Herein you can see 153 MB only. Let's wait for a few seconds. So herein guys you can see we have successfully downloaded the Java 18, the JDK 18 exe file. Remember that for Java we only need JDK now. We don't need to install JRE separately because this installation includes JRE also. So I'll just double click on it to install. Minimize this. Guys, the installation started. Now let us click on next. After clicking next, herein you can see it will create a Java directory in program files and the installation will go inside it. The installation files will go inside it. You can change the location from here, but the default is fine. Click on next. The installation started now. So guys, we have successfully installed it. Click on close. Now let us see wherein we have installed Java. Remember it was in C drive program files. Here is Java. Inside JDK 18, I told you it will get installed here. Now herein go to bin, right click and copy this path. Now minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Herein click on edit the system environment variables. The first one, click on open. Click on environment variables from here. Herein under system variables, the path is visible. We will set the path now. Double click on it. Click on new and just right click and paste the same path. So we pasted the following path. Now guys, click on OK. Now herein I'll also create another path, that is new. That is click on new. This will be Java underscore home path. Herein paste the same variable value, that is the path, but remove the bin here. That's it. Click on OK. We have set two paths. Click on OK and click on the last OK. That's it. So guys, we successfully installed Java 18. Let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. So we have started the command prompt. Type java space -- version and press enter. On pressing enter you can see Java 18 is visible. That means we have successfully installed it. Let us close this. Now guys, we will move to the second step and we will download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Let's begin. At first go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. On browser type Visual Studio Code. Press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. So VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, is owned by Microsoft and it is freely available, that is open source. Herein you can see the current version for Windows is visible. You can click on the drop down so that you can check the versions for Mac and Linux also. I want for Windows, so I'll directly click here. Download for Windows. Now download started. Here it is. It's only 72 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here and you can see the setup downloaded exe file. Now double click on it to install. Minimize this. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Here and you can see it will get installed in the following location and it will only take 287 MB. If you want to change the location you can click here, but I'll keep the default and I'll click on next. Click on next again. It will set the path also. I'll click on next again. Click on install. Now the installation started. The setup completed guys. When I'll click on finish it will automatically launch. Click on finish. It started guys. Here it is. Here it is guys. So guys, we successfully installed VS Code. Let us now see how we can connect both Java and VS Code. For that we need to download the coding pack. For that we need to go to the web browser. Here and type, press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, code.visualstudio.com, and Java in VS Code is visible. Click on it. On clicking you can see the Java and Visual Studio Code section is visible. We have also added this link in the description. Go below here and click on the Windows pack, that is install the coding pack for Java for Windows, that is VS Code for Java. Click on it. After clicking the download will begin. Here is the download. It's only 56 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. The download completed guys. The exe file, double click on it. Minimize this. So guys, the coding pack for Java is visible. Click on next. It accepted the terms in the license agreement on its own. You can read here. Click on next. Now you can see it automatically took that we have JDK 18 because we just installed it and the current VS Code version. So we will click on install and to configure. Now it is installing Java extensions. Let's wait. So the setup is complete. It will automatically launch VS Code. Click on finish. So guys, here it is. Now we will run our first Java 18 program on VS Code. For that, let us go to Explorer. Click on open folder. Go to desktop. Here and directly create a new folder. Okay, it got created here as well. You can see. Type, let's say the name is Amit project. Double click on it and select the folder. That's it. After selecting, it will open the folder here, Amit project. Herein you can directly click here and create a new Java file, that is new file, or you can right click and type new file. Now add the name of your Java file. I'll type demo.java and I'll press enter. And the file got created. You can see Amit project and here is the demo.java file. Now let us quickly write our first program. Since our file name is demo.java, the class name will be the same, that is demo. Here it is guys, we have printed it. Now let us understand it before running. Here the public is an access specifier. Class is a keyword basically to define a new class. So we defined the class demo. So we defined the class demo. You can use any name for class. Here it is public static void main. This is main. Public is an access specifier. Static basically allows the main function to be called without the need to instantiate a particular instance. So this main calls whenever any Java application begins. String arguments is for command line arguments. That is, if you want to receive input from command line arguments, you can use this. This is an array, string array. And let us go to system.out.println, which is used to print any line. System is a predefined class. Out is an output stream and println is a method to display the string. So we will display the following string. Now let us go to file, click on save all. Now guys, after understanding the code, let us go to terminal and click on new terminal to run it in terminal. Herein we will add the basic command to run Java, that is javac. The name of the file, that is demo.java. This will compile the code. Press enter. compiled successfully. Now we will run it. Just type Java space the name of the file without the extension and press enter. Here you can see we successfully ran and the following is displayed: first Java program on VS Code. That is the same line. So here you can see the demo.class file also got generated. So whenever we compile Java programs, a class file gets generated. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily set up Java 18 on VS Code. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.